Here, we'll take a look at creating predefined text fields where the contents are populated via CSV. This is particularly useful when there is a long list of available options for which manual specification of each is not a viable solution. We'll also take a look at the configuration options surrounding this capability, such as giving the user the option to search in this extended list of entries. We will begin by uploading our CSV to the Infigo system. To do this, I'm going to go to my global additional data area of the admin. If you cannot access this area on your storefront, please contact customer support who can enable this for you. We need to make sure that our CSV is correctly formatted. So data for this should be within label and value columns. The label is a string displayed in the user-facing form itself, and the value is the string that's displayed within the field on the canvas itself. Back in our global additional data screen, we just need to make sure that we're uploading this CSV. And we can do this just by dragging and dropping the CSV document onto this area, or by clicking and uploading. You can see in my case, I've already uploaded a couple of versions of the CSV. Now we do need to remember the name of our CSV, and that includes the .csv extension. We'll need this later for the script config. So in this case, calling codes.csv. Next, we'll navigate to the form builder script config of our particular product. So you can see my completed config here, and I'll just talk you through what I've done. So we've added a predefined text section, and then this format below it will ensure that a predefined text entry, which is looking at your uploaded CSV for its values. The available fields are custom target tag. This is a name associated with the predefined text option, and this will be visible in the UI when configuring your product using the form builder. You've got use CSV. This is a true or a false value stating if an uploaded CSV is to be read. We've got CSV path. You can enter the name of your CSV as it was uploaded to the global additional data area. And remember, this includes the .csv extension. We've got use dialog. This is a true or false value that will activate a user-friendly dialog to navigate through those options instead of just a simple drop-down. Show search. This is a true or false value that will activate a search feature within the dialog, allowing your users to quickly sift through large amounts of provided data from your CSV. And then we have dialog title. This is just a named title given to the dialog pop-up, useful for providing instructions. With this information specified, click on Save and Continue Edit, and then launch the Mega Edit product. So on this product, we've added a text frame and given it a name. And now we'll start configuring it for our predefined text. If I make sure I'm on my custom tab and go to the advanced settings of that particular field, I'm going to choose a field type of predefined text. And then from the option that appears here called predefined text options, we can select the required named sections. So in our example, the calling codes name is available, taken from the customer target tagline of our script config. Remember that there's other configuration options we can specify as well, such as making sure it's a single line of text. And if I don't want them available, no formatting options. So whilst we were doing all this, you may have noticed that a new form entry appeared over on the right-hand side. Clicking this will result in a different behavior based on whether you requested a dialog or not. By default, this will display a drop-down list. If a dialog was enabled, a separate window like this will appear. And you can select an entry from this dialog. And you can see the field on the canvas is updated. If enabled, the search function, which you'll see at the top here, will allow you to quickly sift through data that's provided by the CSV.